Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and we have to begin with turning on the developer options. So let's go to About Phone, then let's tap on Version and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then we have to go back to the general list of the settings and enter the system and tap on developer options. Here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and tap on this switcher to turn this option on. So from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, and of course whenever the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.